Overlanding. It's more than just a journey. It's freedom, adventure, and the open road. There's this idea that you need the best of everything. The biggest rigs, the fanciest gear, and all the latest tech. But is that really what makes the perfect overland experience? Overland Expo has given me their ultimate overland rig, packed with everything you can ever dream of. But at the end of the day, do you really need all this stuff? Or is there something more to overlanding than just the gear?
Let's put it to the test.
First up, clearance. With a lift from peak suspension and 35-inch tires, this rig should handle the toughest obstacles. But let's see what it's really capable of.
Whew, that was close. I'm hungry.
And we passed the clearance test with flying colors. But one of the keys to overlanding is self-reliance. So let's see how this rig sounds when we cook a meal.
A true Michelin star experience.
Now with this fancy electrical system, let's put this ultimate vehicle to the ultimate electrical test. Whoa! It charges my phone!
Now with all the important tests out of the way, there's just one final and most crucial test yet. Will this rig make me YouTube famous?
This moment, it's been years in the making. Countless hours spent preparing, packing gear, checking every detail. But no matter how much you plan, there are always obstacles you don't expect. And then, I came across it. A single log, blocking my path, challenging all my preparations. My options: turn back, retrace miles upon miles of unforgiving terrain, but with fuel running dangerously low, the harsh reality is I may never make it back. Or spend days, maybe weeks, chopping this log with nothing but an axe. I'd use the winch, but it's really just for show, and I have no idea how to use it. This could be the end.
Why me? You think you're tough, huh? You messed with the wrong overlander. I'm just gonna have to break you like this. Oh.
It's a good thing that it didn't stick around. And just like that, I overcame the hardest obstacle I've ever faced. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. This log has taught me that no matter how tough things get, there's always a way through. If I can make it past this, so can you. So get out there, face your fears, conquer the impossible, and remember, the outdoors is waiting for you.
All jokes aside, this is a really cool rig, and there's a great reason behind why it was built.
The Overland Expo Foundation created this vehicle to raise funds for an important cause. The proceeds from the auction will go directly towards supporting land conservation, environmental restoration, safety, and inclusivity in the Overland community. It's amazing to see a build like this help make a real difference.
You can find more details on their website, and the link is in the description below.
While this rig is incredibly cool, it raises the question, is there really such a thing as the ultimate overland vehicle? No, of course not. One build can't meet the needs of every overlander. So what is the ultimate overland vehicle? It's like asking, what's the best camera? Well, the best one is the one that you have in your pocket. The ultimate overland vehicle is simply the one that lets you get outside and enjoy the outdoors. But here's the catch. You won't know what you truly need until you go out and experience it. Trying to plan everything in advance is like renovating a house before you've even seen it. Don't get caught up in thinking you need all this fancy gear right away. Just go out, enjoy nature, and learn what works best for you along the way.